Welcome to fall and October. This is a great time to be looking at your house and getting ready for Halloween. But of course, as we're all getting ready for Halloween, we got to get ready for Thanksgiving because that's coming soon. And if you don't do that, you might need to get ready for Christmas. You don't know when your family's going to be coming, but I bet you do know that you got to get something taken care of around the house. Take a look now and give us a call soon so we can get you taken care of. Can't tell you how many times we get those last minute calls to either put in a double oven or to fix that drywall in that room that everybody's going to be gathering in for that big feast that everybody's going to have. So take a look around the house. This is a great time because the weather's nice. You don't have to go out there and sweat while you're looking. Take a look at your deck. Take a look at your front entry. Take a look at the way you come in through your garage and just get a look at stuff and you can get it freshened up. One place that we love to entertain is our kitchens. Sometimes our kitchens are a little smaller than we'd all like, but we do have some great ideas that can help people expand the size of their kitchens and give them more workable space and more time for our family to gather in those kitchens. So once again, take a look at everything around the house because, as you know, Thanksgiving's right around the corner, and then, of course, you always have Christmas, and we can get you taken care of before then. In the meantime, make it a great day in the fall of Atlanta.